Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, all of my friends. I'm Penta Kusuma Dewi, matric number BB7987. In today's tutorial session, I would like to discuss about gender bias words marked by Indonesian suffixes wan, wati, and man. Let's start with the first part, gender bias. According to Chambers 1995 and Holmes 2008, women are less stigmatized and non-standard variants than men of the same social group in the same circumstances. Considering the use of language related to gender, Bahasa Indonesia doesn't have any distinction on gender or sexist language unlike other languages such as Arabic. The term gender doesn't refer to the speaker's sex of language in certain society, but how men or masculine and women or feminine identities are manifested in two words that have affixes, especially suffixes. The second part is Indonesian suffixes wan, wati, and man. According to Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia or KBBI 5th edition in 2016, the function of Indonesian suffixes wan, wati, and man were forming nouns. The first one is to state gender. For example, karyawan and karyawati. The meaning in English is employees. The second one is to state that people have certain properties. For example, dermawan or generous. The third is to state someone who is expert in particular field. For example, ilmuwan or scientist. Next is to state people who work in particular field. For example, wartawan and wartawati or journalist, and to declare the person who is pursuing particular field such as santriwan and santriwati or Muslim students, and the last is to state ownership of something. Next part is phenomenon of the use of Indonesian suffixes wan, wati, and man. Let's take a look at the first word. We have basic word wisuda. If it is followed by one, it is become wisudawan, means a male scholar who has graduated. If wisuda followed by wati, it becomes wisudawati, means a female scholar who have graduated. Then the word wisudawan or graduate belongs to the category of masculine word and exclusive word, which is only used to refer to male gender. In addition, it says that the word wisudawati has a pair of feminine word, which is in addition, it says that the word wisudawan has a pair of feminine word, which is wisudawati. The word wisudawati is also exclusive word since it is only used to refer to female gender. The next basic word is seni or art followed by suffix man. Becomes seniman or male artist. Seniman has feminine word pair that is seniwati or female artist. Then the word wisatawan or male tourist, which consists of basic word wisata or tour, followed by suffix wan, and the meaning is people who is traveling or visiting place for pleasure. Wisatawan is not belongs to the male or female travelers, or we can say it neutral, and can be used to refer both female and male. In addition, the word wisatawati didn't exist in Indonesian vocabulary. It can also be seen from the word informan, which is from the basic word info, followed by suffix man, and the meaning is a person who gives secret information about somebody or something. Thus, it serves suffix forming noun that doesn't have feminine word pair and can be used for both female and male or neutral. From the previous explanation, suffixes "wan", "wati", and "man" doesn't only function to form the noun words, but also to be marks that give a label for categories of word masculine, feminine, and natural. Then the suffixes "wan" and "man" appeared as marker for both men and women, or it can be neutral. In contrast, suffix "wati" appears to be the markers that tend to exclusive for women and cannot be used neutrally. The last part is the conclusion. The phenomenon of gender-biased words that has markers, especially feminine and masculine suffixes, and it is inseparable from the role of society that used in Bahasa Indonesia. The uncertainty in using masculine and feminine words creates some social stereotypes because Indonesians prefer not to use feminine words such as karyawati, wartawati, and seniwati, but masculine words such as karyawan, wartawan, and seniman for both genders. Thus, they consider masculine words more neutral and general, and placing male gender is superior position. On the other hand, the masculine words are more exclusive and only refers to males, which puts women in an inferior position. These are the references that I use in this presentation. Thank you for your attention and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.